Imagine a world powered by electrons. Picture silent highways filled with cars running solely on electricity. This is the future we were promised, a future propelled by the silent hum of electric motors. At the heart of this revolution lies the electric car battery, a marvel of modern engineering. This is the story of one such battery, a tireless workhorse that has journeyed an astounding 350,000 kilometers. It's a tale of endurance, adaptation, and the relentless march of technology. Buckle up as we take you on an electrifying ride through the life of this incredible piece of technology. We'll explore the challenges it faced, the triumphs it celebrated, and the lessons it learned along the way. This is more than just a story about a battery. It's a glimpse into the future of transportation. Are you ready to see what the future holds? Our battery hero began its life full of potential. It yearned to power adventures, to whisper across continents on a wave of pure electricity. The first 100,000 kilometers were a breeze. The battery performed flawlessly, its cells humming with energy. Range anxiety was a distant memory, easily dispelled by the growing network of charging stations. However, the open road, while exhilarating, is not without its challenges. As our battery crossed the 200,000 kilometer mark, the first signs of aging began to emerge. Its once robust range started to dwindle, a subtle reminder of the relentless passage of time and the impact of countless charging cycles. Extreme temperatures, both scorching summers and frigid winters, took their toll. The battery, once a symbol of unwavering power, was learning that even the most advanced technology is subject to the laws of nature. Yet it persevered, its spirit unbroken. The journey to 350,000 kilometers wasn't without its bumps. Our battery faced charging deserts, those stretches of highway where charging stations seemed as rare as oases in a desert. It endured the frustration of malfunctioning chargers and the anxiety of watching its charge dwindle with each passing kilometer. But it adapted. It learned to optimize its energy consumption, to squeeze every last kilometer out of every charge. This journey wasn't just about endurance, it was about evolution. Software updates breathed new life into our battery, optimizing its performance and extending its lifespan. New charging technologies emerged, making the process faster and more efficient. Our battery, once a pioneer on the uncharted roads of electric mobility, was now a seasoned traveler, its journey a testament to the power of innovation and adaptation. What will the next chapter hold? Today, at 350,000 kilometers, our battery stands as a testament to the power and potential of electric mobility. It has witnessed firsthand the growth of charging infrastructure, the advancements in battery technology, and the increasing acceptance of electric vehicles. Though its range might have decreased slightly, its spirit remains unbroken. What lessons can we learn from its incredible journey? Embrace the future of transportation. Invest in electric vehicles. Advocate for a cleaner, greener tomorrow. The road to a sustainable future is paved with innovation, determination, and the unwavering belief in a brighter tomorrow. Let our battery's story inspire you to join the electric revolution. The future is electric. The future is now.